Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this gorgeous Toyota Corolla 1.8 VVT-h XL Touring Sports CVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 15,794 miles and it's finished in the colour Barcelona red. It does come with one previous service. It sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have bi-LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. To the rear you'll find your power tailgate which can be opened using the key fob, making access into the boot much easier. Here in the boot you'll find 581 litres of space. It's extremely practical. There's some additional storage underneath the boot floor as well, and you can of course fold the rear seats down. Taking a look inside here to the rear you'll find your gorgeous black leather interior. There are ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. It feels extremely premium. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Your front seats look extremely sporty and feature red leather detailing. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. The steering wheel consists of controls for the trip display, your infotainment system, and here to the right you also have your radar cruise control. You've got a very large digital display here with your speedometer and different information. You can access your audio, you can view the hybrid system and trip display there, and even your driver assist features including your lane departure warning system and front collision. In the centre of the dashboard you'll find your touchscreen infotainment system. This provides access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or you can connect your own source of audio with USB and Bluetooth. Moving on now, you do have Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have an app feature there. You can access your information and see your energy monitor for the hybrid system as well as trip information. You also have some system and vehicle settings available to you here. And the system also comes with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places with ease. The vehicle does come with a reverse camera to make reversing much easier. You have a clear 180-degree view to the rear. Underneath the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. Down below you also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. You do have your driving modes here. You can access, you've got normal, sport and eco, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. In the centre console you'll find your automatic gear selector, and behind you have your electronic handbrake.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.